Hello, everybody, and welcome to Trade with Precision free newsletter. My name is Tamar Mehr. Today, I want to take you through a couple of markets that I like the look of, and it's really coming from the higher time frame. So let's take a look. The first one is an index, and is China 300. It's my favorite index at the moment. And let's take a look. What we've got here, if we'll take a look quickly here on the 4 hours, we can see this is a nice uptrend. There's some big buying candles and then slight pullbacks into the buy zone and a move away. So looking for a pullback and a continuation of that move. What I really like about this market is that we have broken above this really strong level of around 32.30. We pushed higher and then we pulled back to test it from above, and now we're continuing higher as well. We are overextended, so I'm looking for a pullback. If we'll take a look here on the weekly, we can see it's a nice uptrend, clear series of higher highs and higher lows. So this market looking very nice. The next market that I like the look of and really comes from the weekly is Aussie Swiss. And what I like here on this market, and let's just mark in that level. I like the level that we broke above. It's around the 0.75. So it's also a round number. You can see lots of touches at that level in the past, and we broke above that level and currently pulling back into that area. So looking for trading opportunities as the market is pulling back. So looking for bullish candle in the buy zone and a continuation of this move. Daily is also in an uptrend, moving averages fanning and in the correct order, and we've got nice convergence on the indicators from the daily and from the weekly time frame as well. As the daily and the weekly are pulling back, lower time frame are changing direction, but that's okay. I'm looking for a higher time frame trading opportunity. Next market that I very much like the look of is dollar yen. Now dollar yen has been in a much strong downtrend for a long time. Now we can see we found strong support at this 100 level. Every time we came down and touched that level, we rejected it. Came down, touched it, rejecting it, pulling back, testing it again, pulling back, testing it again. And every time we've done those tests on the 100 level, we also started to diverge here on the indicators, showing that more buying momentum is coming into this market. Now, currently what happened with dollar yen on the weekly chart is that we have changed direction. So now we have a higher low over here and a higher high. So the first time in a very long time, we move back into an uptrend on the weekly chart. We're also sitting above the 104 support and resistance level. You can see a couple of touches here in the past on the weekly chart. If we bring up the daily, you can see this level is rather strong on this market. Not as strong obviously as the 100 level, but it's still a nice level on this market. Couple of touches in the past, and currently we're holding above it. So I'm looking for trading opportunities to the long side. I'd like to clear this consolidation area that we've got here. We can see on lower time frame this is going to be local support and resistance level. I'd like to be above that area for long opportunities, but I like this market a lot for a long position. And the last market that I very much like the look of and has been giving us fantastic trading opportunities in the past couple of weeks is dollar Sing. And let's take a look here on the daily. We've got a beautiful uptrend respecting the buy zone over here, pulling back, move away, pulling back, move away. The only thing is, if we'll take a look here on the weekly, is we're coming very close to this 1.4 level. Let's just mark that in. So we're coming very close into this strong support and resistance level. You can see a lot of touches in the past, and we are overextended on this time frame as well. So looking for a pullback and then a continuation of this move, but a very strong market, though currently overextended. One of the mistakes that we've seen new traders doing in the market is chasing the market. So instead of waiting for the market, predicting the move in the market and then join into that move, they're actually chasing a move that is about to finish. There's a lot of other mistakes that people tend to do when they come to trading. This is exactly the topic of our next free webinar, and that is the critical trading errors and how to avoid them. In this webinar, we're going to look at a couple of critical trading errors and how we can avoid them. This webinar is going to run today, the 25th of October at 8 p.m. Auckland. Have a fantastic trading day, and I'll speak to you soon.